do another one. Now, some of the reindeer, there's about 14 different subspecies, and some of them, the males will only be slightly larger than the females, where in other species, the males may be double the size of the female.
That's true. You can see our boy, if you want to walk out here, he's standing right there.
Oh, next to the, okay.
Our bull, our breeding bull's name is Elvis. These are his antlers up here. This Elvis.
Oh, that last year's?
That was, yes, that was last year's. They weigh about 25 pounds.
Yes.
Our biggest female antlers weigh about 6.5 pounds.
Okay.
He's about 450 pounds. She's about 220. So the Svalbard breed is a little breed that lives in a region in Norway, and they're only 36 inches tall at the biggest.
Yeah, sure, you betcha.
And then the caribou that live in Canada can be 750 pounds or bigger.
No way, eh?
Ours are genetically from the Russian Siberian area, and they're mid-sized.
For sure, я говорю по-русски тоже.
Oh, Santa!
Santa speaks a lot of languages.
That's amazing!
Oh, yes, look at the size difference and the width.
Yep.
Incredible width. That's just another way of saying I'm the big guy on the block.
It sure is.
Yeah.
And we got one of our babies over there, that's Jack.
Oh, nice.
And the red and blue are last year's yearlings, so they're 1 year old. All three of these here are 1 year old. They were born last year.
Oh, there's the little blue. Okay, it is the little blue.
Yeah.
As it is.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I better stop this video for a second.